Engineering Data Analysis under Probability.
We are given 3 urns as follows. Urn A contains 3 red and 5 white marbles. Urn B contains 2 red and 1 white marble. Urn C contains 2 red and 3 white marbles. An urn is selected at random and a marble is drawn from the urn. Determine that the probability that the marble is red. What is the probability that it came from urn A? Dapat may if siguro to. Determine that the probability that if the marble is red, what is the probability that it came from urn A? So let's analyze first our given. So meron tayong tatlong urns, A, B, and C with equal chances of probability or na makuha sila since tatlo sila. So sa urn A daw, meron tatlong red and 5 naman na white. So in total, 8 total marbles. No? So if sa urn A ka raw napunta, therefore may 3-8 chance ka na makakuha ng red and 5-8 chance naman na makakuha ng white. Sa B naman, if napunta ka sa urn B, meron daw 2 red and 1 white. So in total na 3. So sa red, since dalawa sila, 2/3, and sa white naman 1/3, and ganoon din sa C. So ang question daw nakafocus lang sa red. Kung makuha mo yung red, focus tayo sa mga probability na red yung makukuha natin. So ito yung sa urn A, which is 3/8. And ito naman yung sa urn B. And sa urn C, ito naman. So gagamitin natin yan para makuha yung ating probability na makakuha ng red overall. Note natin siya as PR. The probability na makakakuha ka ng red. So sa A, so 1/3 multiplied by 3/8. Probability na makakuha ka ng red sa urn A. Sa B naman, 1/3 multiplied by 2/3. Ito yung probability na makakuha ka ng red sa urn B. And for urn C, we have 1/3 and multiplied to 2/3. All in all, may total sila na 173 over 360. So ito yung probability na makakuha ka ng red. Pero yung tinatanong lang sa question is what is the probability that it came from urn A only. We know that sa urn A, may probability tayo na makuha tayo na galing sa urn A, yung ating marble is 1/3. Then, ano din yung probability na, di ba red din nakuha mo? Ano din yung probability na red siya and galing sa urn A at the same time? Gagawin natin is, divide lang natin yung probability na makakuha tayo ng red sa urn A, which is 1/3 multiplied by 3/8, divided by sa total ng sinolve natin kanina na probability na makakuha tayo ng red. So 1/3 multiplied by 3/8, which is ito yung sa probability na makakuha ka ng red from A. And divided by the total amount of red, which is 173 over 360 kanina. Then divide mo yan silang dalawa, meron tayong answer na 45 over 173.